section is for second standard students. Yes children, as you people know that we have completed in the previous video the grammar topic, that is the pronouns. Yes, we have completed the grammar topic, that is the pronouns. So today I am here with the new topic in the grammar, that is picture composition. What it is? Picture composition. So children, here they are given 3 pictures. How many pictures? 3 pictures they have given. In that 3 pictures, they are doing some activities. Yes, they are doing some activities. We have to observe that picture correctly. Yes, we have to observe that picture correctly, and then we have to write the sentences related to that picture. Yes, whatever the things are going in that picture, they have given 3 clue words. What they have given children? 3 clue words for each picture. For each and every picture, there are 3 clue words. So children, now you all can open page number 63 in your textbook. Open page number 63. And the name of the topic is picture composition. The name of the topic is picture composition. So here I will show you the picture first children, and then we will go with the new one. Yes, you all can see into your textbook children. Yes, this is the picture children. Yes, what the girl is doing here children in this picture? What the girl is doing? Can you tell me what the girl is doing? The girl is watering the plants. What the girl is doing? The girl is watering the plants. Yes, even you people water the plants children in the home? Yes. Why you water them? Because they have to grow well, nicely, and then they will give you good flowers, colorful flowers. Yes, same like that way only. This girl is watering the plants children. And you can see there are many flowers also. Yes or no? Flowers are there na children? See here. So many flowers are there here. And here the butterfly is flying. Where is the butterfly? The butterfly is flying above the plants. Yes. Now here you can see the next picture. Sorry children. Here you can see they are given 3 words, that is girl, flowers and butterflies. So children, with the help of these 3 words only, we have to build the sentences. We have to frame sentences with the help of this clue words, that is girl, flowers and butterfly. We have to see this picture very clearly, what the thing is going, and then we have to write the sentences. Now coming to the next part here. This you can see children. This here you can see na. Yes, this picture. What this picture you can see children? What all things you can see in this picture? Yes, we can see hens are there, cocks are there, river is there. The water is flowing in the river. Hills are there. Yes or no? The water is flowing. There are many hills near the river side. And the hens and the cocks and their baby, the chicks, they are eating some grains. Yes or no children? Yes. And here the words are given, that is hill, river, hens and cocks. Yes. Now what we have to do? We have to use these 4 words in the sentences. We have to use all these 4 words in the sentences and then write them in your textbook. Yes. Now next one. Coming to the next, here you can see. Here is a man. You can see this picture, children. What picture is this? Yes, there is one boat and one ship and both are sailing in the water, children. Where they are sailing? They are sailing in the water. They are moving in the water. Yes, and you can see the man is spreading the net. Who is that man? He is a fisherman. What he is doing, children? He is spreading the net. You can see this net is there. Yes, he is spreading the net and the boy is rowing the boat. You can see a stick is there in his hand. He is rowing the boat. Yes, so we have to see this picture and use the above given words in the sentences. So let us start, children, to write the sentences, seeing the pictures and using the words given in the bracket. First picture. What are the words, children, in the first picture? They are given girl and then flowers. And the next is what there? The next is butterfly. Butterfly. These are the words. We have to use these words in the sentences. So first sentence is girl. The girl. What the girl is doing in the picture? The girl is watering the plants. Yes, the girl is watering the plants. The plants. There are many flowers. Many flowers in the garden. There are many flowers in the garden. The butterfly is flying. Where the butterfly is flying? The butterfly is flying near the plants. The butterfly is flying near the plants. The garden is, fourth one, sorry. The garden is full of plants and flowers. Plants and flowers. One sentence I have given extra, children. Yes? One sentence. Only one sentence. So here you can see the girl is watering the plants. There are many flowers in garden. The butterfly is flying near the plants. The garden is full of plants and flowers. The garden is full of plants and flowers. So, we will go with the next one. Children, the next one is B1. In that they have given the sentences, words, hill, river, hens, cocks. So there are very big hills near the river. There are very big hills near the river. Near the river. Second one. The water is flowing in the river. The water is flowing in the river. Next. Third one. The hens and cocks are eating the grains. The hens and cocks are eating grains. Eating some grains. So here we see that there are very big hills near the river. Yes, there are very big hills near the river. The water is flowing in the river. Where the water? The water is flowing in the river. The hens and cocks are eating grains. The hens and cocks are eating grains. So this was the second picture and we have written 3 sentences on it. Now coming to the third one. Third one. So in the third one they have given fishing and then sitting, rowing. Yes, these are the 3 words. Now here we have to write the sentences related to the picture. You can see the man is sitting in the boat. He is sitting and he is, the man is sitting in a boat. Yes. Where the man is sitting, children? The man is sitting in a boat. Then second one. The ships are sailing in the water. The ships. The boy is rowing the boat. First we'll write this. The boy is rowing the boat. Then third one. The man is fishing in the water. Yes. The man is fishing in the water. The man is fishing in the water. Yes. The ships are sailing in the water. The ship is sailing in the water. The ship is sailing in the water. So this was the small picture competition that I have completed for you people. So you have to see this and you have to write the same sentences in your textbook, children, not in the notebook. Only you have to write this in the textbook. This is textbook activity. What it is? Textbook activity. You have to write it in the textbook only. Okay. So I will be in front of you with the new video. You write these notes, follow this video and send me the photocopy of it, what notes you have written. Thank you, children. Have a great day.